Good morning, everybody. How are you guys? I hope everything okay. Today, I'm gonna show you uh, how to extend your C drive capacity. What happened? Sometime you continues working. You mostly like 90 to 95% people save the data on the desktop, which is wrong. Sorry for that. Because on desktop in Microsoft Windows operating systems mostly, on the desktop icons continues like active folders. It will cause of your system makes so slower because on desktop all folders are active. Whenever you even if you just go and realize and click that folders are on desktop, you just double click, it will active when quickly. You just open it. Why? Because it's already active in the back end. So as we are using the C drive, main drive, and then what happened at the end one time, it will the drive is full. Oh my God, what should I do now? There's a solution. I'll show you. Just let me just go down. In this, you have to go to my computer, right click on my computer, right click, and you will see the third option called first option is open, second option is pin to the quick access, third option is manage. Select that manage. So as you select a manage, it will open a computer management window. There are plenty of options: system tool, the task schedule, event viewer, and then all. So go to the second last one. The second last one is the storage. When you click the storage, there is called disk management. Disk management. Yeah, that's your basic C drive. What you have to do, you will see there is a space which is called unlocated space. That's your additional space. That's your additional C drive space. Only you have to do what? Right click on a C drive, not the unlocated, the located one on C drive, and then right click. When you do the right click, it will show you, it will give you opportunity to reduce or increase the size of your C drive. So choose the extend volume. Extend mean you can extract, you can increase the memory of your C drive. After that, there's a shrink. You can also make a squeeze it if you want. But here we are. I'm showing you how to extend your C drive. So just go to extend. When you press extend, it will show you how much space you have on your C drive left over in your computer. Okay, go for next. It will tell you, okay, now you have a 53 gigabyte extra space which is unlocated and unuseful. So you can use that space and make your C drive bigger, which will help you to perform good performance for your machine, for your computer. Go to next and say finished. So as you say finished, you will see all the drive that which was empty before. It included all, it's all mixed up and merge it with the C drive. After this, just close up and it will increase your C drive space. I hope you like the video. It's just a few steps only. You can extend your C drive space, make it a little bit bigger. So you can have more space. You can have more extra space to save more documents. I hope you like the video. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.